Salon, this is Unity, and I'm here with another Queen's order. All right, y'all, so I'm liking these videos because it shows y'all what goes out. And this order is going to, Jacksonville, Florida. All right, y'all, so let me show y'all what this beautiful sister ordered. She have ordered from me before. I want to thank you. The first pair that she ordered, oh, they all glistening, but these are so fun to make, and they are called Melanin Life is Golden African earrings. And I love them. Y'all see how they glistening? I got an ankh right here. I got like 2 more pair of these to make from 2 different orders. They've been popular, but for some reason they've been selling like crazy. Okay, the next pair she ordered is called Mud Cloth Coffee. And they are so fun to make. I've been making these for some years now. And they are getting ready to go to her. So the Melanin Coffee. And the next pair she ordered, the Royal Woman Goddess Earrings. It's the goddess symbol. Yeah. And that's the back. Yeah, these are always fun to make. I'm gonna do them in some different colors this year. Okay, and the last pair this beautiful sister ordered was my chakra ankh butterfly earrings, my spiritual butterfly earrings. They are very popular, and this is the back. Yes. So I want to thank this queen for supporting boabwart.com. If y'all see any pair on here that y'all like, these are all duplicated and they are on boabwart.com. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.